Hi friends, welcome back to Frosty Eye Candy for another little quickie. Okay, so we have a little 6-inch cradle right here. I've put down some blue pillow paint, around about 100 ml or so, which is about 3 or 4 ounces, and that's going to make a great pillow for something this size. Now we said it's going to be a kitchen sink pour. We're using up some of the paints that we've had mixed up from a previous project. Just going to do a little test here on this little one, so I'm not going to quite use them all up, because if it goes well and according to plan, I'll make a bigger one on about 12 inches. So putting down this one first. This is the cool blue from Deco Art. And then we have the PBO iridescent blue-green. And this amazing, this little piggy, this one's called Funk. Just check out the contrast between these two colours. Nothing but quite spectacular. Next we have another little TLP, this little piggy. This one's called Groovy, and it certainly is. Now we have the Liquitex soft body. This is the fluorescent blue. My colours here looking to me just a little bit on the thick side. I did thin them down with a little bit of Zinza latex extender. If ever I have to thin paints down, I tend to use that rather than more Floetrol, or especially water, because as we know, acrylic paint doesn't like being mixed down too far with water. Okay, so we're going to use the white cell activator. As you saw in the pictures to begin with, this is the Shelley Art recipe, the Australian Floetrol with Amsterdam paint. Okay, so let's give this a little blowout. So we've just got to let all the paint come back underneath here. So while we're doing that, I'm just going to blow out the edges just a little more. Going to pop a few bubbles that I see here. And as we all know, the kitchen sink pours, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. And just in case they did, I videoed this, because it's always nice when we come out with something great. So I'm just going to give the cell activator in the middle a little blow. Just going to hold it up now so you can see it, guys, hopefully. Oh, she's on the move very quickly. Okay, let's give her a gentle spin. Not looking too bad. Let's give her another spin and just get these corners off. Still got a little bit of movement there, so we'll give her another spin. Well, not what I was imagining, but when are they ever? I'll hold it up so you guys can have a look. There we go. We have some beautiful large cell action there. We don't seem to have too much more movement now, so I think we're pretty good like this. So, I'm going to finish on a close-up, guys. Thank you again for joining us for a Frosty Eye Candy Quickie. And, as always, please like and subscribe. Share my videos if you like what you're seeing here. And, as always, friends, happy pouring. Hey friends, so here we are with the close-up. I'm really loving these beautiful, almost ghost cells down here. Oops. I'm trying to keep the camera focused on it. But I'd say for the kitchen sink pour, it worked out quite well. I love the way the, I believe that's Comet. I put Comet down last, so then with the white activator, it's kind of given the white activator a golden hue glow. But we have some beautiful, beautiful lacing here. As I say, I'm going to finish on these ghost cells here, which are absolutely amazing. Okay, my friends, thank you so much. Happy pouring.